And 2 days after the cabinet approved the creation of a separate Telangana state, protests are set to intensify in Andhra Pradesh. With bans in effect in Seemandhra, normal life was paralyzed in the coastal regions where United Andhra supporters blocked highways and enforced closure of shops and other commercial establishments and educational institutions. Power supply in at least 6 of the 13 districts in Seemandhra was hit as all but one unit of the Vijayawada thermal power station were closed, with employees participating in protests. Meanwhile, fast politics is gaining pace with YSR Congress chief Jagan Mohan Reddy.
Certainly not too late, ma. When an ordinance, because Rahul Gandhi did not like it, was removed. When Rahul Gandhi did not like it, if an ordinance could be removed, it's only a cabinet note now. Why can't this be removed?
All these things are indicating that they are in collusion with political parties and they are doing all unethical issues. To expose all these things, I want to express our solidarity, those who are fighting with their problems. Ultimately, I am going to Delhi on 7th, that is on Monday. I wanted to conduct indefinite fast in Delhi to expose Congress party.
And now Shisha Reddy joining us live from Tirupati. Shisha, yesterday all the roads to Tirupati were in fact blocked. If you can just give us an idea of what the situation is on ground like today.
Well, at this point in time, they are allowing vehicles to Tirumala because today is the first day of the Umbrella Festival in Tirumala, and also ahead of Chief Minister Kiran Kumar Reddy will also be coming on the first day of the Umbrella Festival, because usually he does visit the temple on this first day, and today the vehicles are allowed. But of course, there are protests that are going on the ground because today the vehicle movement is fine, but on the other hand, there are not many vehicles that are seen on the road. On the otherwise, the band is already there, which is in place, and which is 72 hours band, which is called by the YSR Congress in Seemandhra region, that is on, and the vehicles are not allowed beyond a certain point. But on the otherwise, I'm talking about where I'm standing right now, which is the Alipuri place. The vehicles are now going inside because yesterday from 6 AM to 6 PM the vehicles were not allowed inside, and people were put into hardship, and also several security has been put in place to avoid any sort of untoward incident, because a lot of small groups have announced that they will go on fast, and also they will also protest ahead of Kiran Kumar Reddy's visit to Tirumala because he has failed to keep the Andhra Pradesh united.